good morning. My name is Nuha Khan and this is my screencast tutorial video. And for today's video, I have decided to review the famous animated movie Tangled. I particularly chose this movie because it aligns with my website nuha278.weebly.com that is also linked down below because that movie blog or website focuses on just movie reviews or blogs of or not just movies in general, even TV shows. So I think this video will help me reach my target audience, that is you guys who love watching movies or just shows or critiquing them in general. So I hope it reaches the right audience, and through this review I go over the movie, summarize it a little bit, but at the same time very much focus on the editing and the cinematographic aspects of the movie. As a fellow person who loves watching movies or TV shows, I am very intrigued by all of it, and I hope that will help you too. So without further ado, let's move on. The animated film Tangled portrays the tale of Rapunzel, a young girl who has spent her entire life imprisoned in a tower by her captor, Mother Gothel. The movie is a contemporary retelling of the traditional fairy tale that gives the plot a novel and intriguing turn. Rapunzel is a strong and courageous protagonist who is desperate to break free from her imprisonment and discover the world outside of her tower. The characters in Tangled are well developed and enduring. Flynn Rider, Rapunzel's love interest, adds some comic relief and an unexpected emotional dimension to the plot. The supporting cast is similarly enduring. Moving on to cinematography or the editing. Tangled's cinematography is nothing short of breathtaking. The animation team of the movie masterfully combines movement, camera angles, and lighting to give viewers a visually spectacular and captivating experience. The camera movement in the movie is dynamic and enthralling. Whether it's following Rapunzel's hair as she swings from tree to tree or flying through the air during an action-packed scene, the use of color is also significant. The viewer is drawn in by the rich, vibrant world created by the bright, vivid hues. Ultimately, Tangled cinematography is a noteworthy aspect of the movie and significantly adds to its impact and success. The Tangled movie's editing effects are also very good, with deft transitions and cuts that keep the film's pacing fluid. Some of the action scenes in the movie make good use of split-screen tactics, which effectively evoke a sense of urgency and excitement that keeps the audience on the top of their seats. Moving on to the main characters, first we have Rapunzel. Rapunzel is the main character, and computer animation is used to effectively bring her to life. The animation team developed Rapunzel's distinctive appearance and movement using a combination of hand-drawn sketches and sophisticated 3D modeling techniques. Mandy Moore, an American actress and singer, provides this voice for Rapunzel. Moore gives the role a special charm and warmth that wonderfully captures Rapunzel's energy and tenacity. Next, we have Flynn Rider, one of the key characters in the film. He is also computer animated. Flynn's motions and facial expressions were created by the animation team using a blend of the motion capture and hand-drawn animation. Zachary Levi, an American actor and musician, provides the voice for Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider's animation is likewise remarkable, with the physicality of the figure being a particular standout. Flynn can move and interact with the environment in a way that feels natural and fluid, because of the animation team's use of the motion capture technology. Next, we have the lantern scene. One of the most remarkable, memorable, and visually gorgeous scenes in Tangled is the lantern scene. The scene, which shows a large number of floating lanterns illuminating the night sky, was created by the animation team using a blend of computer-generated imagery, CGI, and conventional hand-drawn animation. The animation team used CGI models to make the lanterns, which were then duplicated and replaced all around the landscape. Each lantern had a special animation sequence with its own delicate movements and fluctuations in brightness and color, which adds realism and depth to the scene. In conclusion, I would like to say that Tangled's animation of the lantern scene, or just in general, is a work of technical and creative brilliance. The scenes are very strong and recognizable in contemporary and animated movies, and they are monuments to the ability of animation to produce magnificent and immersive visual experiences. This movie review tends to focus on the vlogs or the movie blogs, or just posts and critiques, which are further linked down below in my website, nuha278.weebly.com. And I hope that this reaches the right target audience, and I hope you guys interact more. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Goodbye.